Here's something funny about improv. We spend so much time worrying about the right words, but sometimes the best scenes have no words at all. What really matters is tone, emotion, and how we connect with each other. That's where today's exercise comes in. It's silly, it's strange, and it proves that communication runs deeper than language. Let me hand this one over to my more animated self.
Simpa floda, krendish bopa.
Welcome to Gibberish Translator. One person speaks only in complete nonsense. The other, they make it make sense. Let's try it. Gibberish. Belortikaflu zimika. He says the dragon is double parked outside and refuses to move until it gets a latte. Now let's try another one. Muchi muchi ba. She admits she burned the cookies again, and the oven might actually be cursed. Well, this game forces us to listen beyond words. Tone, rhythm, body language, and on stage it breaks us out of autopilot. In life, it reminds us communication is more than language. So try this at home with a friend or a teammate. You'll be amazed at how much sense nonsense can make.
Improv is universal, even when you can't understand a single word. Subscribe for more improv magic every week.